Introducing the MetaPen X1 Universal Stylus pen for touchscreens. Now let's go ahead and unbox this. So what we get is the X1 Stylus pen, 2 replacement tips, 1 lanyard, 1 storage bag, and the user manual. The MetaPen X1 provides screen control capabilities similar to touching the screen with your finger. It can extend up to 34 centimeters in length, which can be super useful for teaching and presentations. This feature enables flexible marking and highlighting of key points, adding a vivid and impressive touch when working. The MetaPen X1 has a sleek and clean design that complements any style. It also feels great to hold when I'm highlighting some PDF documents. It is available in 2 colors, yellow and white, but personally I prefer the white one. Its ergonomic grip ensures comfort and its flocking tip works great. As you can see, it works responsively on the screen while protecting it from any scratches. It works in the same way as your fingers to navigate web pages, mark notes, type, edit videos, or play games on touchscreen devices. It can even be used as a pointer that can extend up to 34 centimeters to highlight key points or for teaching purposes. It serves as a great alternative to those who need to wear gloves, or those of you who are like me and want to protect your screen from scratches, fingerprints, or stains. You even get 2 replaceable tips just in case one of them wears out. When it comes to portability, this is the right pen that can keep up with your on-the-go lifestyle. Thanks to its compact size and lightweight construction, it effortlessly fits into your pocket or backpack in its drawstring bag that feels and looks great. Although I do wish if it can magnetically be docked to the side of the iPad like some of their other products, such as the A11 pencil by MetaPen. Since I'll be using this pen mostly on my iPad, I'm taking advantage of the TomToc iPad case that can stand the device in up to 4 different positions. Speaking of portability, I like to carry all of my accessories in this TomToc portfolio case, which is well padded to protect everything inside. The iPad fits perfectly into the case, and I appreciate the orange strap that keeps it in place. Additionally, the soft layer inside offers further protection. All of my additional iPad accessories are stored here, and I'll be placing the MetaPen X1 in this designated slot, which fits perfectly. If you're interested in checking out these iPad accessories, I'll include all the links in the description below. When it comes to compatibility, it works with all touchscreen devices that include smartboards, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Now with this pen, you won't have to worry a single bit about the battery, and that's because this universal stylus does not need to be charged, as it is a ready to use stylus, so you won't have to worry about carrying any extra cables. The MetaPen X1 Universal Stylus currently costs £14.99, and if you guys would like to check it out, I will leave all the relevant links in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will hopefully catch you guys on the next one. Take care.